Hello my dear mothers, welcome back to my channel Rocking Obedient Mom. So today's video is a recipe video and now I am going to show you how to make dhoklas for your baby. So let's start. So first of all, soak the chana dal in water for at least 3 hours and then blend it properly to form the consistency of pancake batter. uh, Dahi, then grated adrak, then namak, then sugar, then mustard seed, then chana dal and curry patta, and that is dhokla batter. So let's start. So now I am going to add this dahi, this curd in the batter, and then mix properly, and then this grated sugar, grated adrak. Now add sugar and salt. According to the taste, you can add sugar and salt, and haldi also, turmeric, that also add and mix them all properly. Now I will add this eno powder. It is a lemon flavor eno powder. So add the eno to the batter and mix well till light and fluffy. Grease this bowl properly and put some batter in the bowl, and now immediately pour into the prepared vessel and cover and steam for 20 or 30 minutes you can give. So now let's see it is done or not. Yeah, it's done. I will check it's cooked or not. Yeah, it's cooked. That means if clean knife will come out, then that means dhokla is fully. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seed, then curry patta, then sugar, and now fry them properly and then pour some water. cut the dhoklas in cubes. So now this mixture, pour this mixture over the dhoklas. So mothers, this dhokla is ready. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, and I hope that your baby will also like. So thank you so much. Bye bye.